back to Eshy Toys. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys what a fall hive looks like, and I'm also going to be doing a little versus fall versus what a summer hive looks like. And if you are familiar with my other beehive videos, you'll know that I've only shot the summer hives. So this is going to be a almost completely different hive, and this I'm going to show you guys what something called the fall flow looks like. Now let's get into the video. So now let's take a look inside of the hive. So this is a honey super, and this is what they keep all the honey in, and this is like where they make it. That's what we extract. If you saw my extracting video, you'd know how that process works. And if you haven't seen it, go check that out. So if you see all along here, they have a bunch of bees working in there, putting in nectar, sealing up the capped and uncapped honey. And if you don't know what capped and uncapped looks like, it looks like this. So honey is what the bees eat. So we can there's two boxes, so we can only take from the top box because the bottom box is like all of their winter stores and everything that they need to eat. But then they always make extra honey, so that's what we take. So we aren't starving them out or anything. Now let's take a look at this bottom box. So if you're wondering what this thing is, this is a queen excluder. So the queen bee only lives on the bottom part of the hive. And so we have this queen excluder so she can't come out and start laying eggs where the honey's supposed to be, because you don't want to eat like a baby larva bee. That'd be really bad. So she only lays eggs down here. So if you're wondering what all this comb is, this is called bird comb. And whatever extra spaces they have, they just build this bird comb. So if it's not on like a frame, that's what you call bird comb if it's not on a frame. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've picked up a few bee friends, but this is what the inside of the brood box looks like. So over here, if you look, you can see this thing that we call a frame holder. And you can see all the bees on here. And this is what we do if we want to pull out a frame and look at it or anything like that. So this is actually a really good example of a brood frame, because as you can see, all those capped cells you see there are baby bees, every single one of them. If you're wondering what the uncapped ones are, those are baby bees that were just born. And as soon as they're born, they're put to work at cleaning out their cell. There are many, many bees on here. And as you can see, there's a lot of uncapped larvae. And I don't see any boy bees. And if you don't know what boy bees look like, this is what they look like. They're a lot bigger than the girls. I mean, this is a picture of a girl bee compared to a boy bee. In the fall, they start throwing all the boy bees out because they don't do anything in the fall. So they just kick them out because they need all the food they can get. And if you watched my other bee videos, you would know that most of the other bees are girls. Here's a bee full of pollen. As you can see, those little orange things on his legs, that's pollen sacs. Look how cool that is. Okay guys, so we just saw something super exciting. Can you see that big bee? Well, that's actually not a boy bee. That's the queen bee, the queen herself. And she's going around laying eggs. She lays about 2,000 eggs per day. You can tell she's a lot bigger than the other girls. That's because she has so many eggs she's carrying. At the beginning of the video, I told you guys I'd tell you what the fall flow is. So this is what it is. Basically, the fall flow is when bees go out and collect nectar from flowers that only bloom in the fall, and it gives them a nice boost for the winter. Okay guys, so here's a little recap. In the fall, the boy bees are kicked out. In the summer, they're allowed in. Baby bees that are born in the fall live about 6 months. And baby bees that are born in the summer live about 45 days because they're working super hard collecting nectar and pollen. In the summer, the bees have a lot more nectar and honey, but in the fall, they have a lot less because a bunch more of the flowers are going out of bloom, but some still are going in bloom. Also, if you guys are really enjoying these bee videos, don't forget to check out my other bee videos. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope I see you very, very soon. Bye!